Hi, boys and girls. Today is finally Friday, May the 8th, and I am so excited because this lesson is going to talk about coins, but more about that later. So, let's start with our application problem, like we always start with. Make sure that your book says lesson 20 application problem. Yes, we skipped lesson 18 and 19. I know, but we are going to go into lesson 20. So make sure that it says at the top, lesson 20. You should be on page 115, 115 at the bottom. So make sure you're in the correct page. And if you need more time, press pause and press play when you're ready. Okay, let's start. I don't know why it always looks a little bit blurry at the beginning. Okay, so let's start. First, we're going to read and underline. Pencils in your hand. Okay, let's do it together. Get ready. Tamara saw 10 cheetahs at the zoo. How many cheetahs at the zoo? Get ready. Yes, 10. Let's read and underline the rest. She saw 8 more leopards than cheetahs. How many more leopards than cheetahs did she see? Get ready. Yes, 8. So let's circle our question. Let's underline our question. How many leopards did she see? So we want to find out how many leopards she saw. So let's go ahead and draw our picture. And remember, since we're already going to be second graders, we are drawing tape diagrams for our pictures. So the problem is about two animals that she saw at the zoo. Which two animals? Get ready. Yes, cheetahs and leopards. So we're going to put a C for cheetahs and an L for leopards. Go ahead and do as I do. Now let's draw together. Ready? Remember that whenever we compare, because this is a comparison problem, our keyword was right here, 8 more. So we have to draw two tapes that are equal in size, meaning that they're the same size. So let's draw two tapes that are equal in size. Ready? There. Now we give the extra tape to whoever has more. Remember that. So let's look at our sentences. Tamara saw 10 cheetahs, and then it says here that she saw 8 more leopards than cheetahs. So did you see more leopards or cheetahs? Get ready. Yeah, more leopards. So leopards is going to get the extra tape. Let's go ahead and draw the extra tape for the leopards. And we're going to put the number 8 because she saw 8 more. Remember that. So we already have a part. And how many cheetahs did she see, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 10. So we're going to put a 10 here. And we know that since this tape is equal in size to this tape, that means they're the same. So if this tape has 10, this part of the tape has how many, boys and girls? Get ready. 10. Very good. So if we draw our little arms for our tape diagram, we know that our total is missing. We have a part, but our total is missing. And we want to know how many leopards she saw. So do we add or subtract? Get ready. Yeah, we add because we have two parts. We want to find our missing total. So let's go ahead and write our addition sentence. Ready? Let's write it together, starting with 10. Get ready. 10 plus 8 equals what, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 18. Very good. So we're going to write it here and write it in our tape diagram. Now all we got to do is write our statement. Let's go back to our question so we know how to answer it. Ready? How many leopards did she see? So now we're going to write a statement answering that question. Ready? We're going to write, she saw 8 leopards. And there we go. So that was it for our application problem. So if you need more time to copy all of this down, go ahead and press pause and press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. And today's lesson is so much fun. It's going to be on coins. So I'm going to go over to my PowerPoint and I'm going to show you guys today's learning goal first. So our learning goal for today is as I can identify pennies, nickels, and dimes by their image, name, or value. But wait, we have another learning goal. So we have two. Our other learning goal says I can decompose the values of nickels and dimes. So let's go over the first learning goal. I can identify pennies, nickels, and dimes by their image, name, or value. All that says is that we're going to be able to tell pennies, nickels, and dimes apart by how they look, be able to identify them by saying their name, and by how much they're worth, which is their value. And then our second goal says I can decompose, which we've already gone over this math term. It just means that we're going to break apart the value of nickels and dimes. So we're going to decompose the values of nickels and dimes, meaning like if a dime is worth 10 cents, we're going to be able to break it apart and make it up with other, like with using pennies or nickels to make up the value of a dime, which we'll get into that. If you don't get it right now, don't worry, don't be nervous. If you don't get it right now, once we start the lesson, you'll be like, this is easy, because it is. So let's start. So first, let's go over our very important coins that we're going to go over with, and we need to learn. I'm going to move my little video over here so that we can see clearly. So what is this, boys and girls? What is the name of this coin? Get ready. A penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. I'm going to ask if you're able to get some coins to be able to have 15 pennies with you for our lesson today so we can make it a little bit more interactive. And if you cannot get any coins, that is fine. We'll just draw them out. So that's a penny, and a penny's worth 1 cent. How much is a penny worth? Get ready. Yes, 1 cent. Remember to say the unit, cent, for money, for coins. What is this, boys and girls? Get ready. A dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. How much is a dime worth? Get ready. Yes, 10 cents. So make sure that you also have 5 dimes with you if you can. Remember, this is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't have them. We can just draw them out. But if you have coins at your house, you're more than welcome to use it. Now, and our last coin that we're going to review is, what is the name of this coin? Get ready. This is a nickel, boys and girls, and a nickel's worth, can you guess? Get ready. 5 cents. So the nickel is 5 cents. And for today's lesson, you're going to need 3 nickels. So make sure that you have 15 pennies, 5 dimes, and 3 nickels with you. And our key points for today, meaning the steps we're going to use to solve our problems, is number 1, you're going to identify the name of the coin. What are you going to do first? Get ready. Yeah, identify the name of the coin. And 2, identify the value of the coin. What are you going to do next? Get ready. Yes, identify the value of the coin. And just step 3 is just solve. What is step 3? Get ready. Yeah, you're just going to solve. So if at this moment you want to press pause so that you can get these coins, you're more than welcome to, and then you press play when you're ready. And again, I repeat that if you do not have coins available, that is fine. We can draw them out. So let's start. So we just went over this, boys and girls. What is the name of this coin? Get ready. Yes, it's a dime. And what is the value of 1 dime? Get ready. Yes, it's 10 cents. Very good. So you're going to take out your dime if you have one. If not, we'll just draw it out and you're going to show it to me. Well, can't see you right, but take it out. And then it says, I want a number of pennies equal to the value of that one dime. So if I'm going to use pennies to equal the value of the dime, how many pennies do I need? Well, how much did we say one dime is worth? Get ready. Yes, a dime is worth 10 cents. So how much is a penny worth? Get ready. Yes, a penny is worth 1 cent. So that means if a dime is 10 and a penny is worth 1 cent, how many pennies will I need? Do you know? Okay, let's find out if you're right. So you're going to count with me as I lay out the pennies, and we are going to say the name of the coin as we count. Ready? So count them with me. 1 penny, 2 cents, let's say the unit, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents. Wait, so do we have 10 cents now? Get ready. Yes, we do. So we need 10 pennies to equal 1 dime. Say it, boys and girls. Let's say it together. Ready? 10 pennies, get ready, equal 1 dime. Get ready? Yes, 10 pennies. So 10 of these equal 1 of these. So let's look at this coin. What was the name of this coin? Let's see if you remember, because this is a new coin that we're learning. Get ready? I hope you said nickel. So 2 of these together have the same value of a dime. So then what do you think the value of this coin is? Get ready? Let's find out if you were right. So look at this. We said that 2 of these together have the value of a dime. Does this look familiar to you all? Yeah, right? We've used these before in our word problems. What is this called, boys and girls? What are our coins in? Get ready. Yes, a number bond. So if 2 of these together have the same value as a dime, we know that this plus this has to equal 10. So how much is the value of each nickel? Get ready. Yes, 5 cents. Each nickel is worth 5 cents, so 5 plus 5 equals 10, which is a dime. Wow, good job, boys and girls. So a nickel, and here you have the words. Nickel and nickel, 2 nickels equals a dime. Let's say that sentence, boys and girls. Get ready? 2 nickels equal 1 dime. Good job. So let's continue. So find all the nickels if you have them and put them out on your table. You can go ahead and press pause at the video this time if you do have your coins and you're ready to put them out together. Only your nickels. If you don't, just let's continue. Now, sort the rest of your coins into piles so we can easily get what we need for today's lesson. So what I want you to do is put your coins into piles. All your dimes together, all your nickels together, and all your pennies together. Go ahead and press pause in this video and press play when you already have them sorted out. And if you do not have coins, that's okay. Let's continue. So put the piles on top of your blank workbook and write the name and value of the coin under the pile. Listen to this. It's very important, boys and girls. So put the piles like this. You should have already had them like this. And place them on top of the blank page in your workbook. And then at the bottom, I want you to write the name and then the value. So just like it's right here on my screen, you're going to write nickel equals and how much each nickel's worth, not how much you have, the value of the coin, of one of those coins. So go ahead and press pause in the video and go ahead and do that now. If you do not have coins, you still have to do it. You still have to write nickel and how much a nickel's worth, dime and how much a dime is worth, and penny and how much a penny is worth. Press play when you have all your answers so we can check yourselves. Okay, at this point, you should have your, let me get my pen so I can write with you all. And at this point, you should have written how much each coin is worth. Each one coin, remember, we're not counting all the coins. So, boys and girls, how much is a nickel worth? Which means, what is the value of one nickel? Get ready. Yes, 5 cents. So you should have written 5 and then the symbol for cents, which is this one. How much is one? What is the, let me word it with using my math term. What is the value of one dime? Get ready. Yes, 10 cents. Remember to always say the unit because a dime is worth 10 cents, not just worth just 10, right? It could be 10 anything. So what is the value of a penny, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 1 cent. Very good. So you should have a 1 with the symbol of the cent written. 1 cent. So we know what nickels. This exercise was just to help you identify what a nickel, a dime, and a penny looks like and how much their value is. Ready to move on? Let's go. So look at this. We've already said that 2 nickels is 10 cents. Let's read that sentence together. Get ready. 2 nickels is 10 cents. Very good. So how many cents will I have when I put down 1 more nickel? So now I put down 1 more. And if I said that 2 nickels are 10 and I put down 1 more, how many cents do I have now? Get ready. 15 cents because I count by fives. Remember, since each nickel is worth 5 cents, let's count by fives together. Ready? 5, 10, 15. So 3 nickels is 15 cents. Good job. So this is your challenge time. Let me move my screen up again. Now I'm up here. So this is your challenge time. At this point, I want you to press pause on the video, and if you have coins, go ahead and make 15 cents in a different way. Okay, it's your little challenge. And press play when you're ready to continue. If you don't have coins, go ahead and draw out using pennies or dimes or nickels by showing how you would make 15 cents a different way than the one that I used. Okay, press play when you're done. Okay, at this point, you should have made 15 cents a different way. So, what ways could you have used? Well, let me see if I can get out from here and show you in my screen. So, I'm going to put my whiteboard, and the challenge was for you to make 15 cents a different way, right? Let me find my marker now. So, 15 cents. If you had your coins, we could have used 1 dime. This is my dime. And 1 nickel. Because we know that 10 plus 5 is 15. Or if you made it like this, 1 dime, just 10, 1, 2, and with 5 pennies. 3, that's 4 and 5. That's also 15 cents. 1 dime, 5 pennies. Now, we could have also just used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and these 5 pennies, because 15 pennies is 15 cents. So if you make 15 cents using any of these combinations, you are totally correct. Let's practice some more, okay? This is so exciting. So now we're going to practice making 6 cents. Go ahead and press pause on the video and make 6 cents in different ways, and press play when you're ready to go over some of the answers. You do not have your coins. Let me go over this. You draw 10 cents like this, you draw a penny like this, and you draw a nickel like that with the value inside each coin. So you could draw it if you do not have the coins available. Okay, at this point you should have made 6 cents in different ways. So we could have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies, because each penny is 1 cent, so 6 pennies is 6 cents. Or we could have used 1 nickel. This is 5 cents. And how many more to make 6? Get ready. 1 more, right? So a penny's worth 1 cent. So that's another way you could have made 6 cents. Could we have used a dime to make 6 cents? Get ready. I hope you said no, because a dime is worth how much, boys and girls? Get ready. 10 cents. So that would be way over 6. So remember, no dimes in your combinations for this amount. Ready? Let's make a new one. The next amount we are going to make is 11 cents. So go ahead and pause the video, make 11 cents with your coins, or draw it out in different ways. Okay, at this point, you should have already made the combination for 11 cents using your coins. So let's see. You could have used a dime, it's 10 cents, plus a penny, because 10 plus 1 is 11. Or you could have used a nickel, 5, 10, another nickel, because they're both 5, so 5, 10, and a penny is 11. Or you could have just simply used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pennies. So you could have made this combination. You could have made these 3 combinations to make 11 cents. Okay? Let's try another one. Ready? Okay, our next combination is 16 cents. Go ahead and press pause on the video and make your combinations of 16 cents using your coins, and press play when you're ready to check some of your combinations. Okay, at this point you should have already made some combinations to make 16 cents, so let's check. Could have used a dime, that's 10 cents, a nickel, this is 5 cents, which is 15. We already have 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16 cents. Or you could have used your 3 nickels, 5, 10, 15, because remember in our exercise we said 3 nickels is 15 cents, and 1 penny. That was another way you could have made 16 cents. Awesome. Okay. And our last combination, ready? Now for this combination, you're going to make 20 cents. Go ahead and press pause on the video, make your combinations, and press play when you're ready. Okay, at this point you should have made your combinations for 20 cents. So we could have used, with the coins that we have, remember, only 2 dimes, because 10 plus 10 is 20. Or we could have used 5. We could have used 3 nickels. if we count by fives, let's count by fives. Get ready? 5, 10, 15, and we need 16. We're going to count by ones because we're going to add pennies. 17, 18, 19, 20. So 3 nickels and 5 dimes make up 20 cents too. Or you could have used a dime, 10 cents, a nickel is 15 cents, and another nickel is 20. So it's 10, and these two make up 10. Remember from our practice? So 10 plus 10 cents is 20 cents. I'm sure you guys are having so much fun with this. But now we're going to solve some riddles. Are you ready? Are you ready to solve the riddles? Okay, let's try it. So we're going to start. My screen keeps getting in the way. With this riddle. And it says, oh, we already created the value of these coins. It says, I want to use 1 coin to represent the total of 2 plus 3. Which coin would I use? Think about your answer. Get ready. Should have said a nickel because 2 plus 3 is what, boys and girls? Get ready. 5. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. So if you solve the riddle, give yourself 1 brain kiss. Okay, here's our next one. Ready? I want to use 1 coin to represent the total of 6 plus 4. Which coin would I use? Think about it. Get ready. A dime, because 6 plus 4 is what, boys and girls? Get ready. 10, and a dime is worth 10 cents. If you got it right, give yourself another brain kiss. Last one. Ready? I want to use 1 coin to represent the total of 6 minus 5. Which coin would I use? Think about it. Get ready. A penny, because 6 minus 5, you're taking away, is what, boys and girls? Get ready. 1 cent. So you would use a penny. Give yourself another brain kiss if you solve this riddle correctly. And just give yourself a brain kiss for just trying this, even if you didn't solve them correctly. Awesome job, boys and girls. So now it's time for our problem set. So let's go to my next screen. You make sure that you go over to your problem set. It should say lesson 20 at the top. And we're going to get ready to work this out. So remember, first thing we do, name, date, and goal. Ready? So make sure you write your name, date, and goal. And if you need more time, you press pause. Okay, ready? This time it's going to work a little bit different since all of this worksheet is very different. I'm going to try to go over it with you guys as much as I can, but please make sure that when I tell you to press pause, you really press pause and try it on yourselves before you check your answers. Promise? Okay, trust you. So for number 1, it says, use the workband to label a coin. The front and back of the coin is shown. So we went over these coins in our lesson. You're going to use these, which says penny, nickel, and dime, and write the name of each coin on the line. Go ahead and press pause, and when you have written them and you're ready to check your answers, press play. Okay, at this time, you should have already written your answers. If you have anything wrong at this time, then you may erase and change it. But what is the name of this coin, boys and girls? Get ready. a dime. So you should have written dime here. What is the name of this coin, boys and girls? Get ready. A nickel. So you should have written nickel here. And what is the name of this coin, boys and girls? Get ready. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is not a nickel. My goodness. Imagine Miss Gomez is going over the answers and it's not. So I'm going to go ahead and white that out. So, again, what is the name of this coin, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, a penny. And what is the name of this coin, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, a nickel. Very good. So in number 2, it says you're going to draw more pennies to show the value of each coin. So here, this is a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. So you're going to draw pennies to show 10 cents, but you're using pennies. And this is a nickel, and a nickel's worth 5 cents. So you're going to draw pennies to show 5 cents. So go ahead and put 10 cents at the top and 5 cents at the bottom, so you know that that is the value of each coin. And then you're going to use pennies to equal the same value. Okay? And that's what you're going to do for number 2. For number 3, follow along with me. I know you want to do it already, but follow along. It says, Kim has 5 cents in her hand. Cross off the hand that cannot be Kim's. So here, she has 5 cents. Go ahead and circle that keyword because that's how many cents she has. And you're going to cross off the hand that does not have 5 cents. Okay? Now, let's go to the back. In the back, this is kind of like a word problem. Let's go over it together. It says, Anton has 10 cents in his pocket. Circle 10 cents. One of his coins is a nickel. We got to circle all of this because it's important. It says, draw coins to show 2 different ways he could have 10 cents with the coins he has in his pocket. So he has 10 cents, but one of the coins has a nickel. So this is what I'm going to have you do right now. You're going to draw a nickel in both pockets already. So everybody do that. Because one of the coins is a nickel. What your job is to make sure that in both pockets he has 10 cents here and 10 cents here. But one of the coins was a nickel and you already have it. So you could use whatever other coins you would like now. Okay? For number 5, it says, Emmy says she has more money than Kiana. Is she correct? So here it shows you Emmy's money and Kiana's money. So I'm gonna have you write the value of each coin so then you can answer the question. So this is a penny because you can see right there that it says 1 cent. So write a 1 on top of all of these because those are all pennies and they're worth 1 cent. This is a nickel and it's worth 5 cents. So write a 5. And the question says, Emmy says she has more money than Kiana. This is Emmy's money. This is Kiana's money. Your job is to write down here if she is correct and why or why not. You have to give a reason. So you either circle one of these. If you see it down here, it says Emmy is correct or not correct. So you circle and then you write why. Okay? So you will do that on your own. And of course, then complete your exit ticket, which is very important. You're going to write your heading, just like in your problem set. And in number 1, you're going to match the pennies to the coins with the same value. So you're going to count the pennies and then match it to the coin that it goes with. For 2, it says, Ben has 10 cents. He has 1 nickel. Draw more coins to show what other coins he might have. So he has 10 cents and he has 1 nickel. They already drew the nickel for you. So now you just got to make sure that he has 10 cents. Okay? After you're done with your exit ticket, take a picture of this and upload it to the assignment. Bye, boys and girls.